Hello all the crypto, DeFi and dApps fans all around the world, and welcome back on Crypto Lifestyle channel. On this video I will review SQUADUP version 2, which is a version 2 of dApP that I reviewed actually a few months ago. It wasn't as successful because they paid too much, but in this one they made the necessary adjustments for it to be more sustainable. So let's start. Alright guys, so we are back. So this is version 2 of the contract. It was actually one of the first BST dApps that I went in a few months ago. And I actually profited from it because I played it safe. They made a lot of adjustments in this one. That is why I decided to go in. First of all, we're not investing BNB here. We invest tokens that we have to buy. You can buy it via their internal exchange. So first of all, what you need to do is to buy tokens. But before I'll show it, let's look at the audit, because it is audited by Security. So as you can see, they have like three or four different contracts. You can read about it here. You'll see the plans, you'll see the fees. The fees are actually from the buying of the token. So if you buy a token, there's like a fee, a 10% fee in and 10% out. So the owner, the admin of the dApP, will get 8% and the referrer will get 2%. So this is more or less how it works. So you'll see the description of the plans and everything here. You can read about it if you want to know all the details. Okay, you can access it from here. You can see the actual price of the tokens right now. They were like 0.005 at the beginning. Right now they are more or less, if you buy the tokens, you'll see the actual price. And if you want to buy the tokens, you'll need to input the quantity of BNB you want to invest. So let's say you want to invest 0.5 BNB. It will get you 5 tokens. So tokens are more or less 0.1 BNB at the moment. The price will fluctuate, of course. The referral commissions are paid in the tokens as well. If you go to the about section, you'll see that for every 1k BNB deposit withdrawn from the contract, it will rise 0.5%. Here is the token allocation, and you can see the fees here that will go to the owner and to the people referring. The minimum deposit is 0.05 BNB, and for that you'll need to buy the tokens. I guess the minimum deposit in staking is 1 token. Earnings will be presented in real time, but you can only withdraw once every 24 hours. They also have farms. The farms will be dynamic, and there will be new pairs added soon. I mean, they have some pairs. We'll look at it in a minute. And they have also the referral system. You can earn additional income by referring, and you'll get the commissions in their tokens SQD. Okay, so this is more or less how it works. If you go to stake, you'll see the staking plans. So for me the best plan is the first plan, and I will go with the first plan as of now, because I want to check it out, see how it works more or less, and I will observe the balance and everything. If you go to the contract, you'll see the actual balance in BNB right now. You'll see all the transactions, etc. You'll see that contract is verified. You can also access token tracker. and you'll see all the tokens that are in the circulation right now and how many holders we have and how many transfers were done. Okay, so yeah, first of all, what you need to do, you need to approve staking. Okay, you'll pay a little bit of fee for that, so always have some additional BNB on your wallet, so you'll be able to access the staking feature here. And after that, you'll be able to enter the amount of tokens that you want to invest. Okay, so right now it's approved, so you can stake. I will enter with 3.0 you need to watch out for decimals. If something doesn't work, you need to like because there has been some issues. Yeah, but it's right now. There have been some minor bugs. They are correcting it as we speak. Okay, let's see. After it will go through, you'll see it below the total staked. You'll get the window notification as well. And in order to refer, you'll have to deposit as well at least one token. Okay, and you'll see the progress here. Also here you'll see the total referrals that you can get, of course, if you want to refer. And this will accumulate every second, I guess. As you can see, it's accumulating, but you'll be able to withdraw only once per 24 hours. With this plan, you'll be able to change the plans every other day. So if you go in 24 hours, you'll be able to get your profit, and you can go and you can decide every day if you want to go in. You can, in the meantime, you can observe the price and everything. If you want to buy the best possible price, you can like wait for the dips. So that's entirely up to you. Okay, so this is more or less how it works. There is no maximal limit. Here there is a note: when staking, make sure only to include 2 decimal spaces. 3 decimal numbers will fail. So yeah, be aware of that. They also have farming, so you can farm on 3 pairs, and you can farm using pure tokens. So this is what you can do to earn more, provide liquidity. They have like SQUADUP BNB, SQUADUP BUSD, and also drip. Drip is this is what I also like, because I've been in drip since the first day, but I ignored it. It went very well, so this is what I liked as well. And they have like similar ideas to drip, because they have this fees, which can make it more sustainable in the long run. Okay, of course, remember, this is a very risky platform. It pays a lot, so be aware of it. Beware of the token price, etc. And let's say if you want to sell the tokens if you want to withdraw from the platform, you will have to, first of all, you will have to wait until your plan ends, or you will have to withdraw your tokens, and then you'll need to sell the tokens in order to get BNB. So they changed it a little bit. They changed it a lot. Okay, so this is how it works. So if you go here, let's say you want to get out of the platform, you want to withdraw. So first of all, you have to withdraw the tokens, and then you need to sell the tokens. And here you input how much BNB you want to spend to buy tokens, and here you'll need to input how many tokens you want to sell. So let's say you want to sell 3 tokens. As you can see, the 10% in and 10% out will be deducted from here, so you will have to pay fees. So in order to be profitable, you have to earn at least 20%, because the fees will cost you 10% in, 10% out, so altogether 20%. So this is how it works, and they done it so it can be more sustainable, so people will have to wait in order to be profitable and pay the fees. So yeah, that is why I decided to go in. Okay. Alright guys, I think that's more or less it. Remember about the risk, remember to do your own research. You can stake in the farm here, you can go to their Telegram to ask questions. Probably in some time I will do an update on this to show you my progress. Right now I'm like testing it, see how it will go, because maybe tomorrow I'll have a better view of what people will do. Will it be sustainable over the next few days or weeks? That depends, but remember, it's very high risk, so do not invest more than you can lose. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you soon on another video.